Hello guys and welcome to this beginner tutorial on Hedra AI. Now Hedra AI started as a talking avatar tool. You could just feed it a photo and an audio and you could get back a speaking character. But it has grown into something bigger, a full visual creation platform with its own AI agent, an infinite canvas workspace, and access to over a dozen image and video models from one shared credit balance. So if you only know Hedra as a lip sync app, that's still in here. And I've got a separate full guide on this feature, like the video generating feature. But this video is gonna give you like all of the functionalities, at the same time. So guys, sign up is free and doesn't ask for a card. So once you're in, it's gonna look like this. Here's your studio. And this is the one workspace where every tool is gonna live. No separate apps to open for images versus video or versus audio. Please also notice the credit count in the bottom left corner. As you can see, I have 0 right now. This is very important because this number is going to be your entire account balance shared across every model you're going to attach today. So keep an eye on it as we go, since some model costs far more per generation than others. So guys, what is the fastest way in for a beginner? It's going to be the agent, okay, which you can access by going to home. Okay, and so instead of picking a model and configuring setting yourself, you're going to describe what you want in plain language. So here, you're just going to give it a prompt, such as this one, for example. Okay, and the agent is going to plan the steps, choose what model to use, generate the assets, and keeps iterating with you until it matches what you describe. As you can see, it looks very similar to ChatGPT in the sense that it's going to try to, think and give you like a text for the prompts. And remember that in your prompt, if you can, you should always give it like a reference image or a URL instead of starting for just a blank sentence like I did here. If you want to add like an asset, like an image or things like that, you can just click on this plus button, upload file, take photo, draw, or library. The draw feature especially is very good because you can basically draw what you want to in this canvas. And the AI models are going to take it as a reference. That's great. It's not going to nail a complex brief on the very first try every time, but for someone brand new to the platform, it is far gentler than learning every model setting before you make anything. So guys, the output of this prompt is going to land here on the infinite canvas, as you can see. Okay, this infinite canvas to the right. Every single image, video clip, and audio file you generate is going to become its own car on this canvas, and you can just drag them around. As you can see in here, you can group them and reference one asset will generate in the next one. So this is going to be like a whiteboard that is going to remember every session of everything that you have made in this project. Okay, now let's talk about the part that makes Hedra genuinely different from a single model tool, which is the model shelf. Okay, so if we go to image, as you can see here, we have different models. We have, flags, nano banana, seed dream, and histogram. Each suited to different styles for photorealistic portraits or stylized art versus just simple text rendering. Okay? And similarly, you have exactly the same for the videos. You have a lot of models, but I'm not going to cover this because you have your own dedicated tutorial for the video generator, so you can check it out in our channel. Alright, now let's talk about the elements. So if a blank prompt box is intimidating, this is the feature built exactly for that. So element that you can access by going to library and then elements. It's a library of pre-made building blocks. You have character bases, outfits, environments, visual treatments, everything that you can mix and match instead of describing everything from scratch. So what you're gonna have to do is pick a character, layer an outfit, and drop in a background and generate. And so once you have generated something you like your own mascot or a specific background you're gonna reuse constantly, that's going to be saved as a custom element by clicking on save. You can select the different kind of types in here, like outfit, style, environment, things like that. And in doing so, every future project is going to pull the exact same asset instead of a close enough regeneration made with AI. So if you want to maintain consistency across multiple videos, this is fantastic. So just to give you an example, something you can do is just you can just create an element of a character, okay? And then you can come to the video model and you can just add like image reference from your library, as you can see in here, okay? And literally just click on generate. Not only that, but inside of home, you have specific skills that are going to take you to the next level. For example, you can choose like an AI presenter and give him a speech and he's going to say it for you. So you have like a lot of skills inside of Hedra that are going to make your life so much easier. And you can even embed these skills into your prompt by clicking on skills in here and just selecting the one. Okay, I'm just going to put it like so. And guys, something very important as well that it's very useful really is the connectors. The connectors are gonna let Hedra connect to, for example, things like your Google Calendar or Gmail. And in this way, what you can do is, for example, if you receive an email from your boss telling you that you have to make a certain ad about a certain thing in that email, what you can do is you can reference your Gmail and you can say, okay, in this email, look for the description that my boss is asking me to make this character from, okay, or this idea from. And that way you don't have to write the whole thing yourself. You can just pretty much copy and paste by using a connector that is going to access your things, okay? So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. This is pretty much all of what you can do with Hedra. So just sign up for free, let the agent give you a fast first draft, use elements to stay consistent, and pick your model deliberately once you understand what it costs. Okay? So I hope you can try this out, and thank you so much.